Bloom's Taxonomy, presented by Mariya Drapinska. In 1956, Benjamin Bloom, with collaborators Mask, Engelhardt, Edward First, Walter Hill, and David Crothwell, published a framework for categorizing educational goals, Taxonomy of Educational Objectives. Familiarly known as Bloom's Taxonomy, this framework has been applied by generations of K-12 teachers and colleague instructors in their teaching. While each category contains subcategories, all lying along a continuum from simple to complex and concrete to abstract, the taxonomy is popularly remembered according to the 6 main categories. The original taxonomy, 1956. Here are the author's brief explanations of these main categories in from the appendix of Taxonomy of Educational Objectives. The first one is knowledge. It involves the recall of specifics and universals, the recall of methods and processes, or the recall of a pattern, structure, or setting. The second one is comprehension. Refers to a type of understanding or apprehension such that the individual knows what is being communicated and can make use of the material or idea being communicated without necessarily relating it to other material or seeing its fullest implication. The next one is application. Refers to the use of abstractions in particular and concrete situations. Next, analysis. Represents the breakdown of a communication into its constituent elements or parts such that relative hierarchy of ideas is made clear and the relations between ideas expressed are made explicit. Synthesis involves the putting together of elements and parts so as to form a whole. Next one and the last one is evaluation. Engenders judgment about the value of material and methods for a given purpose. The Revised Taxonomy, 2001. The authors of the Revised Taxonomy underscore this dynamism using verbs and gerunds to label their categories and subcategories, rather than the nouns of their original taxonomy. These action words describe the cognitive processes by which thinkers encounter and work with knowledge. So the first one is remember, recognizing and recalling. Next one, understand, interpreting, exemplifying, classifying, summarizing, inferring, comparing, and explaining. Apply, executing, implementing. The next one is analyze, differentiating, organizing, and attributing. Evaluate, checking and critiquing. And the last one is create, generating, planning, and producing. So here is the 6 levels of Bloom's taxonomy. The first level is remembering, the second level is understanding, the third level is applying, the fourth level is analyzing, fifth evaluating, and the last one is creating. At the highest level, at the top. So why use Bloom's taxonomy? The authors of the Revised Taxonomy suggest a multi-layered answer to these questions, to which the author of this teaching guide has added some clarifying points. The first one is objectives, learning goals, are important to establish in a pedagogical interchange so that teachers and students alike understand the purpose of that interchange. The second one is organizing objectives helps to clarify objectives for themselves and for students. Having an organized set of objectives helps teachers to plan and deliver appropriate instruction, design valid assessment tasks and strategies, and the last one is to ensure that instruction and assessment are aligned with the objectives.